The starters of the UST Golden Spikers, similar starters to that last game, of course, led by their MVP in Josh Ibanez. To make it back to the finals for a 9th or 10th straight year, this team will be led by Jay Disquitado, Leo Ordiales, and Leo Aringo.
And we know that it's going to be a bloodbath here today. All of their matches have gone into 4 sets. So let's see if the trend will continue in this do-or-die match.
This is the first ball, Disquitado. From the back, Ordiales.
And it's not going to be easy to dethrone the defending champions. So UST, as for UST, they still have all the weapons in their arsenal. You have the trio in De La Noche, De Vega, and Ibanez.
Battle at the net. Dump down, still in play. Yambao, that's a net touch on Dux Yambao. On deck, Dux Yambao has been steady for the #1 setting team. Ordiales again from the back row.
Hot start for Ordiales.
It was amazing in that 3rd set of that last game. Ancheta now serving. Tight dump down for Peng Tagibolos. And NU up by 2.
Josh Ibanez.
Dux adjusting for J-Rack from the opposite side. Here comes the #1 blocking team of Jay Disquitado. Every point a celebration. Right now, they're celebrating a 3-point lead, but Popoy Colinares with a response. Ibanez, sharp serve. Good receive though. Ordiales, drop ball. Good coverage by Gabultos. Jade straight to the hands of Ibanez. Counter attack for De La Noche. That is denied.
It's an early block party for the NU Bulldogs.
You can bank on that wall. Yambao. G-Boy. They target De Vega. Valera, pinabawi.
Better hit from Trevor Valera. The first
5 serving 8 here. A strong start for the Bulldogs. De La Noche. Sharp one. Targeting Aringo. Back set. Ordiales. 1 blocker. That is just bad news. Strong serve by Leo Ordiales.
Oh, wow. Dux Yambao.
Dux going quick again. And out of bounds off the blocker's hands. Bump set. Disquitado will improvise. Gabultos, good coverage. The reverse. Ordiales has been on fire.
4 points already for Ordiales.
Faba opting for a different serve than his usual one. De La Noche. Have not led in this ball game just yet. Disquitado just finding a wide opening. Greg Ancheta. They make Ibanez receive. Josh quiet so far. Drop ball. Still good. Let's see what Yambao does. We'll go to G-Boy with a put away. You really do lean in to your veterans in games like these, which is why G-Boy is back in the starting lineup. And there was a check ball by Ordiales.
There was also a net violation called on Popoy Colinares.
G-Boy going behind the blockers. Good presence of mind. Ibanez could not get a grip of that ball. Right now, National University off to a strong start, but the question really is, this happened in that last game, Neil. Can they stay in control as De La Noche going deep corner amidst the blockers? Corners you can get for J-Rack. Colinares now serving. Quick! Automatic for Peng Tagibolos.
They've identified their main receivers to just take control
Back row, Ibanez. Ordiales looking to answer. Alabar says, I'm right here. G-Boy De Vega gets it to go. Cheta, the back set for Ordiales. Ibanez with a pickup. Yambao, straight to Gapultos. Aringo will try, and he fires away.
Identifying those open spaces behind the floor of UST.
G-Boy, like you said, Neil, he has been hot as well. Nice receive. Ordiales, undiggable hit for point number 5. Ibanez, off the blocker's hands. He needs to start getting hot here.
Ipasok lang yung kamay nila sa ibabaw ng net para makakuha ng additional block points.
Dux Yambao now has 2 kill blocks in this game. UST slowly coming back. But Mukaba likes this 3-point advantage. Dux now to Ibanez. 2% na.
The shorter blocker rather in Ancheta just went for that hit out.
Go to the open for Jay Disquitado. He's just targeting it perfectly here. Doing a great job spreading the wealth for NU in the meantime. J-Rock de la Noche. And it is outside, but good hustle by Jay Disquitado.
The pancake save was good.
Misreceived by De Vega. Leaving a free ball for NU. Aringo is the chosen one for a 4-point lead. Yes, they've been targeting Ibanez. They continue to do so from the back row. Picked up by Ancheta. Tight. Mukaba was rejected. Regalo. And they cut this lead down to 1. Complete shift here. Another strong serve. Ordiales with a put away.
That is going to be the highlight of this set. No mercy from Leo Ordiales. Take a look at that.
Over receive. We are tied at 23.
We knew that we'd reach this situation along the road.
Now a chance for the lead. Good receive. Ordiales takes the lead back for set point.
Is at set point.
Avila to Ibanez. And it is still in play. Chance ball USD. Ibanez on the reload. And the NU Bulldogs with an emphatic rejection.
That kill block just saved the day for the NU Bulldogs. They know that when push comes to shove, the centers of UST will always bounce.
Ibanez serving strong to open things up. Another strong serve. Scraping the net though. Ordiales, that was his spot in that last set. De la Noche. Covered by Ancheta. Disquitado, 3-man wall, no problem. And that one will go through. De la Noche denied by that Sampaloc wall. Linares also limited to just 1 point so far. Disquitado. Put up by Josh. Now he fires from the back row. Shouldering a lot of responsibility in the meantime. Ancheta pushing forward. Ibanez again from the back row. And that is inside. Disquitado. 1-on-1 versus De La Noche. Just storing it off his hands. Back row. Unstoppable. Josh Ibanez. Scary times. Ibanez is heating up. Ancheta tossing it to Ordiales. Try digging that, says Leo Ordiales. Leo Ordiales. 4 serving 6. De La Noche. Nabitin. Esquetado. Medyo malayo. But he manages to find a way. He has come up big. Valera, even he was surprised. Yales set the serve. Gambao back pedals for an Ibanez hit. Here he comes. The target Mukaba. Ordiales right back. G-Boy naiangat. Back row hit from G-Boy De Vega. For NU, 3-point lead UST. Ordiales. He targeted the libero for that one.
That's his version of a back row hit to help NU in scoring those points.
Popoy Colinares being activated by Ducks. Malay mo, future star of UST. In the meantime, Ordiales will be dug by Ibanez. De La Noche away from the net. Ordiales back row. Great floor coverage for Josh. Leading to that hit by Trevor Valera.
Defense now holding up for the Golden Spikers.
Serving 14, Greg Ancheta with 9 excellent sets. And speaking of an excellent set, another one by Ducks Yambao. De Vega continues to be the target. J-Rack. Good dig by Jimwell. Chance ball UST. Ibanez this time was rejected. Bench players. Valera slowly heating up here. He's being activated. The court. Buds Budin announces his entry. De La Noche striking from the back. Picked up by Choi Diao. Budin will try again. Drop ball. Good save by J-Rack. Ibanez, drop ball. This is how you do it, says Josh Ibanez.
Smart play there from Josh Ibanez. Just displaying his volleyball IQ. He waited for the blockers to descend. That's where things change.
Great receive by Alabar. De La Noche, saved by Gapultos. Buds Budin, puts it down. Obed, Alabar, good pickup. G-Boy using Budin's hands. Budin will serve once more. Ibanez, one blocker, but Greg Ancheta with a big block.
Block party continues.
The entire set, but NU thanks to Buds Budin. That's his lead down to 1. Interesting serve there for Buds. Ibanez binabawi. Strong serve by Josh. Jade awaits for it and fires away. You saw it coming from miles away.
Now it's down to 1 point again.
Ancheta, back to Jade. Trevor Valera. Try it. Sharp one. The reverse, Ordiales. G-Boy was there. Did not power through, so Ordiales. Valera using his left hand. Covered by Ancheta. Budin! He has been the answer. G-Boy. Ibanez. Set point after another block by Choi Diao. No block touch. Set point NU. Yambao combination play. Let's see if UST will respond. Set number 3, De La Noche. Right on cue.
And he was one of the 3 players in double digits in game number 1.
A high set for Disquitado. A high set for C. A wide opening deep corner. He will shoot it to G-Boy. Mukaba trying to save it, just not enough.
To get NU out of system in game number 1, they have to try to do the same here in the 3rd set because it's literally now or never already for the Golden Spikers.
The Vega target practice. One-handed set. And that manages to go in. G-Boy, double block. Ordiales and Diao working hand in hand. Short serve, short. De La Noche. That has to feel good for JRAC.
That will help his confidence. They have to make their move now. Everybody has to chip in.
Just great receives leading to another point for Leo Ordiales.
Shank pass will give NU a free ball.
Diao will play setter for Ordiales. But Valera was there to meet him. Steady receives for Boots, but in. That block in the antenna. His presence alone that just makes everyone calm. Ibanez. Oh, they need him now. Steady receive again. Nabuhay ng UST. Back to Budin. Oh, he's fighting through. And Colinares just passed through the double block.
The UST, they're just down by 2 points.
Disquitado. Off the block, it's good. Yao. Another side out for the Bulldogs. The toss to Ordiales. The strong, powerful attacks have been a major problem in the UAAP.
Sakit sa ulo nito. For the other teams the next coming years.
Speaking of masakit sa ulo, Josh Ibanez from the back row.
I guess ang advantage pag sa likod binibigay ni Doc Simbao, mas maraming angulo na pwedeng puntahan si Josh Ibanez and mas kita niya kung ano yung mga open spaces dun sa floor ng NU. Konting-konti lang, but that is outside.
One now. Budin, drop ball. Good save by Josh. G-Boy. Good save by Alabar. Ibanez on the reload. And that is a point for NU UST. Service ace for G-Boy De Vega. And UST has regained the lead.
This is what we've been saying. Serving will really be the key for victory para sa Golden Spikers. When you have Leo Ordiales attacking from the right side, Ordiales to get those points for NU.
Yambao playing hitter. Ordiales going behind the blockers. A little bit of variations for Leo Ordiales. 15 big points for Ordiales. And that is inside for Choi Diao. So a great timeout. Short serve. Back row. G-Boy. Double hand drop. Ordiales from the right pin. There has been no answer from UST. And a strong serve. But it arrives to the middle blocker in Popoy Colinares.
Types of quick attacks. We haven't seen a slide from UST.
Budin off the blocker's hands. And he's telling NU to make it
6 points for Buds Budin.
Ibanez puts it down. Ibanez now at the back row. They toss to Jay Desquitado down the line for another 2-point lead, and he is celebrating at will. At the best of receives. Good pickup by Budin. Ordiales na naman!
If you notice the blocking pattern of NU, pag 3-man blocking na sa harap, lumalabas yung sweeper nila sa end line because they know na mataas yung chance na makakuha ng magandang rebound. Leo Ordiales.
De Vega, a much-needed point. UST looking to have a sense of composure here. Target Budin. Ancheta targeting Desquitado. And an important block by De La Noche. Desquitado, cross-court kill.
He was unsuccessful when he put a target on zone number 1. That's why he changed his sails, went for a deep cross-court. And you're an outside hitter.
De La Noche. Jay Desquitado, package delivered.
When we started this game, we raised the question of stability on service reception, but NU has showed everybody.
What's his name? G-Boy. Good execution after that timeout. USC keeps trying to tie. Ordiales picked up by Alabar. Sali tips it, and we are tied at 21. We'll go to Sali. We spoke of bench players, Neil. They came to play.
Coach Orji Mamon getting a lot of dividends from his substitute.
Back set, Ordiales for the lead. 20 points for Leo Ordiales.
Another hammer from the right pin. Only
Budin, and they arrive at match point. Buds Budin.
exclamation point.
Yambao, Ibanez, a chance for Desquitado, and the NU Bulldogs are going back to the UAAP Finals.